I'm sure you've heard the news. Off-season travel is the ultimate travel hack you didn't know you needed. Let's uncover why. Imagine wandering through Paris without the crowds, or marveling at Rome's landmarks with room to breathe. Off-season travel makes this dream a reality. Discover quiet beaches, charming villages, and serene temples that shine when the tourist rush is over. These hidden gems are waiting just for you. And the best part? You'll snag amazing deals on flights, hotels, and activities. Stretch your budget further while experiencing more. Engage with local culture like never before. Think vibrant festivals, authentic cuisine, and heartwarming customs. These moments create unforgettable memories. Plus, capture stunning landscapes without the usual crowds. Your photos will thank you. Off-season travel offers a relaxed, authentic, and cost-effective way to explore. So pack your bags and get ready for an adventure that's just as unique as you are. Happy travels.